I'm Jess, and today we are here at our Geodesic Dome remodel project, and we are going to be installing Havelock wool batting today as our insulation. Now I will walk you through some of the steps and things that we're learning along the way. So for tools, we've been using a staple gun,
measuring tape,
permanent marker, and insulation supports. So first thing I'm going to do is measure the space that we're going to be cutting the batting for. I generally add 2 inches so that when we're stapling, we don't have to stretch it too much. So it's 34 1/4, we'll go 36 1/4. Okay, so now that we have it cut, we're going to put it in. Put in the first support. Okay, so now I'm going to put a few staples in just to secure it. All right, so all of these corners that we've been cutting off, we're actually able to use in places like this. So there's virtually 0 waste. There you go.